Muse, or making unique selling experience, is a business that engages in person-to-person selling. Muse is spearheaded by 5 marketing students of San Beda College, namely Abha, Angel, Angela, Jeanette, and Monique. This baby project was started as your final project for direct marketing, but a lot of people saw potential for its refreshing and creative approach to its business. That's why they continue to pursue it.
There are several vision mission of the Muse company to be accomplished. And the vision starts by practicing strong relationship with our clients, giving our clients the above standard services in order to create value and justice to the money that the customers are paying to our company. We also want to integrate the client's idea with the agency's programs in order to create an outstanding direct marketing plan. We also want to provide and cater innovative selling experience to both client and the public. And lastly, our vision is we want to fully utilize all the effective and refreshing marketing communications and techniques in order to convey the vision of the company. Since we've already established the vision of the Muse company, we decided to establish the different missions in order to establish the credibility of our company. The following are the mission of the company. First is to create a strong relation between clients based on the value incorporated by the agency. Secondly, we want to offer the public a unique selling experience that will entertain and persuade the public to buy. Third, we want to integrate marketing communications creatively and effectively to our business. And last is we want to become both locally and globally competitive in the direct selling world. Muse Agency's #1 goal is to position its agency, to be the #1 choice among its clients. In order to do this, we have the following objectives. First, we have to bring in unique and reasonable and catchy strategies to the public by executing utmost precision and creativity.
Started on the year 1987 when Giselle Desi decided to launch the first product line, Ever Bilena Nail Polish. These products are first sold in bazaar and wholesale marts, wherein coincidentally he met a supplier of cosmetic products who's from Taiwan, Adam Cheng. In 1986, Every Bilena was able to expand its product line and launch a new collection that includes eyeshadow, blush-on, and other various cosmetic products. This development let them triple their sales growth and made their way of becoming a household brand. In the 1990s, Every Bilena was providing not just total customer care but a complete beauty line. They also ventured in direct selling that led to market saturation of products. 2002 was a breakout year for Every Bilena Cosmetics Incorporation due to the massive sales training of its sales staff. A year earlier, new sources and more dynamic products are in line to provide the Filipino people with better choices of cosmetic products.
Ever Bilena has securely claimed dominance in the market via ownership of the functional benefit, which is affordability. However, the current functional positioning limits the market the brand is able to capture. One of the main problems of Ever Bilena is that there is a discrepancy between its perceived image and its actual positioning. The market perceives it as cheap instead of affordable because of its misleading communication mix. Furthermore, we see great potential in the brand further beyond a functional positioning. The brand promises an experience like no other, which deserves to be communicated and highlighted. More than the functional benefit, I think it is very important to create a deeper attachment to the customers through providing a one-of-a-kind experience.
Sheer. Simply exquisite. Soft. The beauty you need by Ever Bilena.
Ever Bilena's main goal is to shift the market's perception of it having cheap prices. Rather, we want the customers to focus on the quality experience that they can experience after using the Ever Bilena products. In accordance to Ever Bilena's goal, we want to establish the following goals. First is to increase the market sales of Ever Bilena belonging to consumers B2C. We also want to build and create a customer relationship between the company and the customers. And lastly, we want to increase the brand recall of customers to the Ever Bilena products.
Ever Bilena has a complete beauty line. As you can see, products are from face products to body products. We also made use of streamer to give brand message. This is used for the brand to be recognized easily. We also made use of the pink and white motif to make the brand encounter consistent. For such, laptop is also used to gather information from the possible consumers. On Facebook, Ever Bilena will create a fan page that would be a big help in monitoring the number of consumers the Ever Bilena would have. It would also be a great tool in building your relationship to Ever Bilena's targeted customers. This strategy is to create right communication of the reinvention of Ever Bilena brand positioning to potential buyers through online marketing. Through Facebook page, Ever Bilena products will be presented and can be ordered online. Updates regarding new collections and promotions will be posted in the page. Ever Bilena commercials or videos that were uploaded in YouTube will also be uploaded in the Facebook page. The use of Facebook fun page will mainly highlight the summer collection. As you can see, a picture beside me shows how Ever Bilena makeup could be experimented to girls with different skin tones. An open forum space will also be utilized that would give customers the opportunity to ask questions and give immediate feedback regarding the products of Ever Bilena. As you can see in the commercials of BDO, Apple, and Coca-Cola, they're going beyond the functional aspect. Apple is selling lifestyle, Coke is selling happiness, and BDO is offering an efficient service to its clients. So as for Ever Bilena, Mr. C, the CEO and owner of Ever Bilena Incorporated, he said that he wants to step up and not compete only with prices, but instead play with the experience that the client could get from Ever Bilena. Mr. C stated that we don't sell the product, we sell the experience of being beautiful. Ever Bilena must not rely on number games because, the competitors could easily match their pricing strategies by lowering their price indexes.
Ever Bilena wants to provide its consumers an Ever Bilena experience. However, its marketing efforts are not delivering this experience to them. One of these is the website. The current Ever Bilena website doesn't appeal to their consumers. It lacks consumer interaction, information, and excitement that would engage the consumers to frequently visit the website. With that, we propose to recreate the new Ever Bilena website. Through the new website of Ever Bilena, the consumers can gain more knowledge about the brand, create connection with other consumers, and especially engage themselves and experience Ever Bilena. The consumers can gain more knowledge about Ever Bilena through the website because the new website will contain more information about the product, the company, and other necessary information about the brand that they should know. New collections of makeup will be posted from time to time, and consumers can gain more connection with other consumers through the open forum space wherein they can ask questions to other consumers, and also there will be an e-blog which will be furtherly discussed by Angel. The consumers can also establish more loyalty and awareness of Ever Bilena through the use of makeup trial space wherein they can upload their photos and manipulate the photos in which they can try the different brands of Ever Bilena before they can make a purchase.
We hope that this website can attract more potential consumers and establish loyalty to their current consumers, in which Ever Bilena can succeed as a brand that provides not cheap but affordable beauty quality products.
In order to uplift the image of the brand, we need to be able to provide platforms in which consumers may engage the brand. A media we deem fit for this goal is the internet. The growth of digital marketing makes explicit how internet can be a powerful tool. We propose to pull together a group of beauty consultants
to whom consumers may dialogue with regards to their beauty concerns. The consultants will provide expert advice at the same time conduct sampling. This way, consumers will be much able to appreciate and understand how Ever Bilena plays in the whole experience and promise of beauty.